Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hood scoop, stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, airbags, driver, knee. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.